How to force quit Netflix on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Now these are a couple of methods that you can try to force quit your Netflix on your LG Smart TV. So the first one is to restart your TV. This can sometimes resolve app issue. If not, press on the home button on your LG Smart TV remote. Navigate to the Netflix app by heading over to the Apps section and click on it. After that, you need to hold down the power button on your remote. Select on Close or Force Close from the on-screen option. This should let you force quit the Netflix app, closing it completely and clearing any temporary data that might be causing such issue. Once you have successfully force quit it, try to clear up the cache built up in your LG Smart TV or in your Netflix app. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the Netflix application in your TV as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.